but her mom took her whole ass bed. Her whole ass bed. Thought she was playing, but like, yikes. You put yourself out, you asked the question, and I said I'm filming this, so you kind of consented to what it is. Hey you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Me llamo felipecharming. If you guys been here, what's up? I don't say that anymore because my friends make fun of me for saying that. I'm gonna be doing an Instagram Q&A. I'm gonna answer some other questions that I got. If you guys want to be part of the next Instagram Q&A, I suggest that you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. A little background info on my makeup. Being off camera for so long, I forgot what it is to do my makeup for camera versus doing my makeup for me in real life, day to day. After watching my last video, I was like, what in the auntie makeup is this? Also, I was feeling this on my spirit. This makeup is inspired by Black History Month. Let me step it up and kind of just give the kids what they want to see. My lashes are Moxie Lash, the magnetic lashes that I reviewed a couple months ago. If you want to use Code Charming to support the kids, then go ahead and do so. I did use the Makeup Geek Matrix palette, a sprinkle of Jackie Aina in the inner corner, and I did use the black from the James Charles palette, and I did use the red from the James Charles palette, just a little bit. If you guys are interested in recreating this eyeshadow look, or if you guys just like really good shadows, like the Matrix system is intended for you to use it year round. So if you want to support the kids hustle, use Code Charming on Makeup Geek's website. And yeah, shout out to Makeup Geek and Moxie Lash. Trey asked me what's your blood type. I don't know if I want to share that. I think that's like uber personal. Just know it's a rare blood type because I'm a rarity. Twin asks why your lips look so soft. My lips look so soft because they are. Ask me. Shout out to. How do you feel knowing you got your best friend in high school's bed taken away? Quick story time. My mom watches my videos, so I'm about to get caught too. Hey girl, how you doing? Hey mom, how you doing? Long story short, when I was in middle school, my friend and I hated school oh so much. We skipped school and went to the bougie mall in our town or city, whatever. We decided for whatever reason, we were like, we're gonna dress bummy and go to the mall. It made no sense, but it was like an adventure. I think we did it like once in middle school and like twice in high school. That was it. So I got caught. I didn't. I think I got a phone call from the school or something, and punishment. I put you out. You put yourself out. You asked the question. I said I'm filming this, so you kind of consented to what it is. But mama don't play that. Mom took her bed away. Mom took her bed away. I could have sworn it was her door, but her mom took her whole ass bed. Her whole ass bed. Thought she was playing, but like, I don't know what she was sleeping on, where she was sleeping, but yikes. So she got her bed taken away and I got away with it. Euphoric asked me, what's your favorite makeup product? As far as like a makeup product, not a specific brand or like whatever, but like product, I love brows, I love bronzer. Lily asked me, what's your favorite feature, personality, physical? Do you find your, what's your favorite feature, personality, physical? What do you find most attractive about yourself? I love my hair. I like my physique. Like, I'm not like built or anything, but I really like my shape. My favorite personality feature is that I kind of like march to the beat of my own drum. Like I said in my last video, I don't do the whole bandwagon thing. I don't do the whole like, I'm not a sheep. I don't just follow the leader. I like march to the beat of my own drum. I do what the fuck I want. Obviously, I'm sitting here in my room filming a YouTube video. Last video was like comfort level, trying to come back like, okay, let me not shock them too much with my image. Now it's just like, honestly, I'm just gonna do what I want. If I'm gonna look subtle, I'm gonna look subtle. If I'm gonna be barefaced, I'm gonna be very crazy looking. I'm gonna be crazy looking. Just be who I am, period. There's a decent amount of things about my appearance I don't like and I would like to improve. We're not gonna get on that. That was not the question. What takes too much of your time? Pretty much overthinking takes up too much of my time. If I feel a way about someone in my life, I will sit there and I will like ponder on it and like I will think, because I'm so overly sensitive, I worry about other people and their feelings so much. Like, people don't put that much thought into my feelings. For example, just gonna throw this out there. So I went on a trip with some friends. My best friend and I went with a mutual friend and his best friend and his girlfriend. I met her. She's been around us. Like, she's cool. Personally, I was thinking about her and her comfort level. We go on the trip. Long story short, everything went her way. She showed us a completely different side of herself, and it was just like, ew. We had our group moments. Group moments were fine, but the trip as a whole was awful, solely because my best friend and I's mutual friend was pretty much doing whatever his girlfriend wanted us to do on said trip. So it was just like, ew. Honestly, never again. Never again. It's life. It's all love. I still love everybody except for her. She's not his girlfriend anymore, so there's that. Me overthinking everything takes up too much of my time. Me being sad about friendships and relationships and stuff takes up too much of my time. With YouTube, what takes up too much of my time and what stops me from filming a lot of the times is, how should I wear my hair? How should I do my makeup? I sit there and I'll ponder on like, should I wear my hair curly? Should I pick it out? Stupid things like that. But it's just like, at the end of the day, there's always tomorrow for me to like do it the other way. That's why I'm just like, let me wear my hair in a little twisted up hairdo that I did myself, just to give a different vibe for the video. Those are all the questions I wanted to answer. Thank you guys again for asking all these questions. Again, if you guys want to be a part of the next Instagram Q&A, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. I'm probably gonna do it on there. Add me on TikTok. I was supposed to do one tonight, but it didn't come out right, and I'm just so upset about it, but it's fine. You live and you learn. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have for me or any comments you may have, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
You know, cylinders in the roof, and I'm begging me to lose my cylinders in the groove. I get home with the comb, no telling when I'ma shoot. I just bing.